Alright, let's talk about something I wish I'd known before shopping online. Because if you're asking, is Sophie and Grace Savannah a scam? You're definitely not alone. So here's the deal. There's a legit luxury Canadian brand called Sophie Grace. They have real showrooms, clear return policies, and an actual address in Canada. But the Sophie and Grace or Sophia and Grace sites you see all over social media, that's a whole other story. And it's not a good one. Let me break down why so many reviewers are waving red flags. First, deceptive advertising. The ads show dreamy silk dresses. Super elegant, right? But what actually arrives is usually thin, scratchy polyester that looks nothing like the photos. Shipping is another nightmare. People report waiting over 2 months for their order, and sometimes it never shows up at all, even if you get a tracking number. And if you try to get your money back, good luck. The site might list a return policy, but getting a response is next to impossible. Some customers are told to send items back to China, with shipping fees so high, it's basically a lost cause. And don't even get me started on customer service. Reviews on Trustpilot and Facebook say the owner turns arrogant, or just stops replying when you ask for a refund. Now, if you want to spot the difference between the real brand and the suspect sites, look for these clues. The legit Sophie Grace is based in Canada, makes things in North America, and offers a dedicated return portal with prepaid labels. The scammy sites? They don't have a clear address, use generic emails, and demand you jump through hoops just to talk to someone. Here's my rapid-fire safety advice. Never use PayPal friends and family for purchases. Scammers love that method because you can't get your money back. Always double-check the website URL to make sure you're on the real Sophie Grace site. And if you got scammed, don't wait. Call your bank and start a chargeback right away. Bottom line, if a deal looks too good to be true, trust your gut.